Hey, what's good? All right, welcome to part number 7 of Divine Bel versus my Beyblades. First up, we got our weak little boy right here. We got Kerbeus. Unless you want to call him Serbius, you're fucking weird. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I swear to God, brother. This bay just keeps going to these pockets and I just can't do anything about it. I can't stop. He can't keep getting away with this. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah! Let's go. Nice job, Divine. Nice job. A nice burst to start off the video. Well, you know, a first loss, then start off the video. You know how it be. All right. Next up, we got to get it going. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, that was a good-ass burst right there. Very heavy, very strong. Anyways, I'm gonna fucking kill my chimichangas. You gotta kill the chimichangas to make them good. Chimichangas aren't good without the kill. Alright, next up we got Genesis Valtriac. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! It's back-to-back bursts, baby. Let's go. He's doing out here what he was supposed to do from the very beginning. He's holding his ground. Getting those great hits in and bursting these bays like there's no tomorrow. Get it, Lasse. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Another burst. Yeah! This video's going way too fast. We might not be able to do 3 Beyblades. We're going to do fucking like 4 or 5 of them. Because he's just knocking them out left, right, and center. Turbo Pro Series Inverted Valtriac. And I got a lot of energy all of a sudden because it's good as hell. These bursts keep coming up. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Very high amounts of energy coming out of me today, or really right in this video. All right. Let's get it back in. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, let's go. What the fuck just happened? No points. Simultaneous survivor finish. Redo. I don't know what actually happened. I don't know if he lost or not. I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! He got that speed on him. Damn, and it's a burst. Woo! Yeah, that's definitely not long enough for a video right there. Beautiful execution. Done and done, baby. Done and done. Oh, he has the same driver as Luinor. Pretty cool. Anyways, let's keep going. Let's do Orb Engard. Let's see if Divine Bel here can actually keep up the bursts. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Where is this energy coming from? Divine Bel is actually doing the fucking coolest shit out here. He is moving around extremely fast and actually hitting his opponents. He's not letting up. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Damn! He is incredible, ladies and gentlemen. Are you seeing this? He is continuing to knock out the competition in less than 6 minutes. He is continuing to burst. He found Orb Engard up here and came and knocked his ass down and then proceeded to burst him on the top there. Holy shit, he's incredible. Let's take up Mirage, Mirage Inferiator. Let's see how he does against this Beyblade. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Damn! You can't stop this Bay! You can't stop him! He's actually insane! It's burst after burst after burst! He can really not be stopped in the slightest. He is somehow actually coming alive in this stadium and doing God's work right now on these bays. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Holy fuck! TKO! Oh my lord! He just shattered Inferiator to literal smithereens. TKO indeed. His piece came off as well. My golly god. That was unnatural. We'll get one more battle in. Let's see if he can continue this burst train. If he does not burst this bay, we will not continue. Let's see if he continues the bursts. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Woo! Not a burst, but it's okay. We got 1-0. I am ecstatic right now, ladies and gentlemen. He is doing amazing. Where did all the energy come from? I don't know. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, there he is. He came back. He came back. That's the Divine Bel we know. Not this fucking powerhouse that he's been doing this entire time. If you don't burst him here and now, we're not continuing. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Damn it. Alright, that's not good. It is 2-1. Come on, partner. Do your best. Do the job. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Ooh, he ties it up. He ties it up. Give a nice little burst to our fans for the finale. Give a nice little burst for the finale. In 3, 2, 1. Say it with me now. Go shoot! There's the burst! Beautiful finale for the ending of this video. Fantastic. We destroyed so many Beyblades today in this one single video. Epic burst across the back. I have no idea what was happening with Divine Bel, but he really stepped his game up. Circling around this stadium at immense speeds, never touching these pockets ever. Knocking around and making these bays wish they were never alive. Destroying them. Oh my god. And TKO'd Mirage Inferiator. Unnatural. But thank you guys so much for watching this epic send-off for tonight. I love all you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love you guys show me. Appreciate you. Peace.